Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bruna, and today I bring to you guys a new video. If you want to see more new videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You know you want to. If you've been watching me for a while, go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. Don't forget to turn on notifications because then you won't be notified of if I have videos or not, but you know the gist of it all. Comment and like down below, and let's get into this video and let's figure out what we're talking about. So today I'm going to be talking about Milk makeup. I have seen Milk makeup be such a viral, I feel like it's a viral brand. Like it hit the market, and when I first saw Milk makeup, I was like, what is this? That doesn't even look like makeup. It's blah, it's boring. I don't even know if I want to try it. But they sent me some PR. And this is not sponsored, you guys. But they sent me some PR, and I was like, okay, I will try you out and I will see how it goes. And to my surprise, I liked a lot of stuff. So I wanted to share with you guys some hits and misses with Milk makeup, because I mean, I could just do like a bunch of products, but I don't know, me as a consumer, it's always easy for me to talk by brand, because that's how I shop. I shop by brand. I explore a new brand. That's just how I am. Although I am a product hoarder and I will try like any new product that hit the market, but when a new brand comes out, I tend to like want to explore their brand. So like, anyways, you guys get what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to start off with all the products that I loved, and then the couple of products that I did not like and that I was just not feeling. Okay, so they came out with a cooling water stick, and this is my favorite product from them. And let me tell you guys, at first I was like, what does this do? First I was presented with the cooling stick in a little mini one like this. I'm gonna tell you guys real straight, this is a waste of money. Just go ahead and pick up the big one, because I saw nothing with this one. I thought this was a whack product because of the small one. Then someone handed me this big one, and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. I love this. It smells divine. It smells like seaweed, but like it's not a strong seaweed. Like you have to like really sniff it, like, you know, sniff it. But anyways, it is so good. When you put it onto your hands or even onto your face, you can instantly feel the coldness, and it's used to depuff your face or your under eyes. I need a depuffer because your girl likes sugar, your girl likes salt, your girl likes junk food. And in the morning, sometimes I wake up super puffy, and your girl tends to not get a lot of sleep sometimes, so I get puffiness. When I use this, I have no puffiness issues. Like it literally instantly like just takes the puffiness down, and your girl looks super fabulous. This is definitely something I always use before my moisturizer during the daytime, and it kind of acts as my serum because it's actually really hydrating, and it's just really good. As you guys can tell, I've already used up so much of it. It's just so good, and I like using it before I apply makeup. It's just really my holy grail before I do anything. It does have some, according to online, it does have some it has like seawater. It's caffeine infused gel stick, energizes the skin. It does give me a glow. I notice when I wear this by itself, people are like, man, your skin looks so glowy, what you doing, girl? And I'm like, yo, it's just the cooling water, and this is some bomb stuff. Another product of theirs that I like is this hydrating oil stick. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's $24, and the reason why I like it is I have dry skin, and I like, most of the time, I'm a lazy girl and I don't want to like put physical oil on my skin, or even if I'm traveling, I don't like taking oil in my traveling bag, especially when I go to Vegas. When I go to Vegas, your girl is so freaking dry, and I'm like, man, I didn't bring any oils. And then I'm like going to Sephora to find some oils, and like I don't bring it back. Like whenever I'm traveling, it's just like I have to go searching for oil because I don't like traveling with it in my bag, and then it'll like spill. So that hydrating oil stick is so good because you just put it in your bag and you can just like lather it onto your skin anywhere you go. I love wearing it in the morning. I love wearing it, especially at the night. At night, I just like lather hydrating stick oil onto my face, and it's so good for my skin. It just heals my dry skin so much. Then the hydrating oil also has jojoba oil in it, and I love jojoba oil. I have a pure jojoba oil that I use from Amazon that I use all the time as a mask, but the hydrating stick is more for like quick status, and it really helps with my uneven skin texture. Ever since I started to use the Milk makeup products, I do notice a lot of texture like just being fixed and going. But the hydrating stick and the cooling water are like items that are just gonna stay in my collection of skincare and all of the extraness that I do with my skincare. You guys, I go in on my skincare. So the hydrating stick and the cooling water are the two products that I'm definitely going to keep in my collection. They're not going nowhere. And some more skincare is the matcha toner and then the matcha cleanser. Okay, I love these two together. As you can see, I've used them up a lot. So the matcha toner, this is the matcha cleanser. I love using this because it has like little like grits in it, or like exfoliating grits in it, and it just exfoliates my skin. So I love that about this, and it gives you like a really clean feel, but doesn't leave your skin looking dry. So that is a very important thing for me because I have really dry skin, so I cannot have any soap that leaves my skin looking hella dry, and this doesn't. It just takes off the makeup and makes me feel like I have nice soothing skin. When I use these two products at night, like I feel like I'm in a spa. Like that's how good they make me feel. I feel like I'm in a spa. So like I really like these. These are really good. If you have sensitive skin, this is definitely a brand for you because I feel like everything I use for them is really gentle, and it's just like feel good, you know, like feel good products. So yeah. And then the matcha toner is also, this is like really interesting because I usually use a liquid toner. So like Glow Tonic, Rose Water from Fresh Beauty. Those are some of my favorite toners. But this one is slowly growing on me. And I actually really like this because it smells divine. It smells amazing. And then it I don't think it smells, but I feel like it smells. I don't know, because it's green. It makes me feel like it smells, but it just smells good. It doesn't have like any like weird chemically smell to it. It's almost like maybe it doesn't have a smell and I'm just like delusional in my brain. But anyways, this stuff is so good. It softens my skin so much. Essentially, you would use this before any serum, and that's what I do. It definitely feels very hydrating. It feels cooling to the skin. It has witch hazel in it. It has cactus elixir in it. I mean, cactus elixir, that just sounds bougie. So all of that is just the combination in this. It's just really good. It helps my pores also minimize because I feel like it's just cleaning my pores out and just like doing that whole like suction thing. I don't know what it does, but it just makes my pores look really good. And I really like this. Okay, next I'm going to go on to makeup. There's only two items that I really loved from the stuff that I tried on. I didn't try on the full Milk makeup line. I tried on some of their stuff, but makeup wise, their Blur Stick, which is their primer, this is really good. I love this. When it says Blur Stick, it literally blurs your face. Like you will look like you have porcelain canvas skin, and it would just look gorgeous and stunning. Your foundation will go on really nice. It really sucks those pores like even, and it gives you like a nice pretty canvas for your foundation, and you guys know that's like really important for me. What I like about it though is it doesn't have like that gunky feel to it, like it's literally clogging your pores. It doesn't have that feel to it. It just really just feels like nice and smooth and healthy product going onto your face, and it's not gonna break you out. Like that's what this feels like, and it actually works. It comes in like a skin tone taste, so skin tone it comes in kind of like a skin tone color, which is amazing because like I'm brown, and if I use a white anything, sometimes this does have smell to it. Sometimes if I use white stuff, I will have a very ashy look to my face. So I like that it's this color and kind of just blends into my skin. I think I could use this even without makeup or without putting makeup on. I can use this and just have a fresh looking face. So yes. Okay, and then the next one that I love is the Kush mascara. You guys, I don't really have lashes, so me talking about mascara is like a big deal because your girl don't got lashes. I have none to share with anybody. I have none to give to anybody. I wear false lashes a majority of the time, but when I'm not wearing false lashes, I wear the Kush mascara. So if you look at the Kush mascara, come on. So if you look at the Kush mascara, it's just so lush and it's so dark, and this brush is really good, and I think it even has like little fibers to just kind of thicken your lashes, and I think it's healthy for your lashes. It has CBD oil in it, and CBD oil makes my lashes grow. So I do like to use this because I'm already being so harsh on my lashes because I use fake lashes all the time, even though I remove them like gently. I do all the things to save my lashes. I just wasn't blessed with lashes. But this Kush mascara makes me feel like I can be blessed with some lashes because I've actually seen growth in my lashes. I've seen my lashes become more healthy versus when I use other mascaras. I don't really get that, but with Kush mascara, I am getting that, and this is like one of my things. So if you guys do want to check out Milk Makeup. Those are the products that I loved by them and I thought were amazing, and those are the products I would recommend to a friend, and you guys are my friends. Those are the products I would recommend if you want to try them out, and I love them. I love those. Now we're gonna talk about the products I didn't like. I just was like, no, this is not working out. Some of the products I have here, some of the products I don't have, but I'll show you guys in a screen grab those products, because when I don't like products, I tend to store them in this box, and I'm like, I'll talk about them in the next video, and then I can't find the box anymore. So that's what's going on right now. I can't find the box. I feel like Nayar mixed makeup into there, and now I'm confused. But anyways, this product I'm gonna talk about is their lip and cheek, and this is Quickie. I really just didn't like this. I don't like the texture of it. It just didn't look that good on me. Like, look at that. Like, I just, you know, like, it's not, like, it's just, like, it's kind of streaky. And I feel like someone like me who has dry skin, something streaky like that just doesn't work out on me. So I tried to put it onto my cheeks a couple of times. I tried to dab it on. I've tried every method with this, and it just never worked out for me, so I really just didn't like it. I love the color of it. I think it's so gorgeous. Like, that is such a gorgeous color, but it just didn't work out for me. I'm gonna use it a couple more times and maybe like give you guys an update, but for sure I've used it like 3 or 4, even 10, like I've used it like 3 or 4 or 5 times, and I just never get anything. I haven't really used it on my lips because I mean, this is just so big for your lips, but I mean, it could be a lip stain, but we'll see. But this is one item that I don't know, I would skip it. It wasn't for me. So the next following items that I'm going to talk about, they are, I don't have them on me. I don't know where they went, but I've tried them. I have videos on them. But the 2 products that I'm going to talk about is the Milk Makeup Foundation and then the Milk Makeup Concealer. So they have a foundation and they have a concealer. I think the foundation has really good reviews. Some people really love that foundation. I didn't like it for myself because first, it was a little too oily for me, and I have a really dry skin. So oily is like, yes, girl, lather on that butter, lather on that oil on me. But no, that was not the case with this foundation. It was just way too oily for me. And I feel like there's something in the foundation that made me look puffy, because it just like, I just started to puff up. Like, I just looked really puffy, and I don't know what is in that foundation that made me look puffy. So that foundation just definitely didn't work out for me. And then the concealer didn't work out for me because it just didn't have the coverage that I wanted. It just didn't have the consistency that I wanted. I didn't like the packaging, and it just didn't work out how I really wanted it to work out. So other than that, those are the 3 products that I didn't like. And then you guys see I have like a gazillion of products that I really loved from them. I tested out Milk Makeup for like about a month. I've worn all these products for about a month or 2, maybe 2, because I can't ever keep track of time. So obviously maybe a month or 2. I just really tested them out. I wanted to give you guys a really honest opinion and really tell you what I loved and what I didn't love. Like, I think it's really hard to give reviews on products that I just try once. Yeah, we do first impressions, but I always like to try my products out a couple of times or for a couple of weeks before I say, oh yeah, this was a great product or this wasn't a great product. So yeah, that's it for this what's great and what's not great on Milk Makeup. I tried Milk Makeup for a month type of thing. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this. Comment down below if you have any questions. Comment down below if you've tried Milk Makeup as well and you like certain things of theirs that you think I should try out, or like if there's a product that I didn't like and you feel like I could work it out a little bit better, or I'm using it wrong. This is an open community. I am not a beauty guru. I'm not your beauty guru. I'm just a girl who loves makeup. I'm your bestie who loves makeup, and we talk about makeup here. You can tell me what's good, what's bad, what you think. Yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like down below. Follow me on Instagram, which it is Glam by Runa, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah, bye!